Hello everyone, I'm Aki, a Japanese tax accountant, and today I will talk about a common issue faced by individual business owners and small and medium business here in Japan. How to handle the situation when you cannot collect your accounts receivable. Yes, even in Japan, it's common to have a payment of month's end closing with the end of next month's payment. And the people sometimes need to help to collect their receivable. So what should we do in this case? Let's discuss what to do in such situations. The first thing you must do when a payment deadline had passed is demand the payment immediately. Your client might have forgotten. When you send the reminder, make sure it's businesslike. You don't have to be worried about it too much. Just send a message cautiously and clearly state the amount due, the deadline for payment, and any applicable late payment penalties. There are several ways you can demand payment. One is by phone. It's quick, but not everybody may be comfortable using this method. Sending an email is must-do step. An email specify the fact of late payment, the invoice number, the amount due, and the ultimate deadline for payment. You may also mention that the transaction is subject to Subcontract Act. For example, if your capital is equal to or less than 10 million yen, and the counterparty's capital is more than 10 million yen, the counterparty must not reject the receipt of goods or services. Must make a payment within 60 days of their receipt. Late interest will occur after the 60 days. Another effective method is sending content certified mail, which provides the proof of your demand and put pressures on the client. Sending content certified mail can extend the statute of limitation for collections by 6 months. If the amount due is 100,000 yen or less, consider a small claim action, which is relatively simple and quick. However, these legal action can be your hurdle, so it's best to take some preemptive measures. You can decide on a credit limit with your client beforehand or evaluate your client's credit worthiness before you start doing business, but this can be a hassle for sole proprietor or small business owner, so you can also consider taking some security measures like withholding delivery until payment is made, asking for advance payment or deposit, or even getting your client to register a credit card for automatic payments. Please keep in mind the method of credit card is one can be tricky, as not all clients might have valid credit cards. In the long run, it might be beneficial to diversify your client base. If you have accounts payable to other party in addition to your accounts receivable, you can offset them. It is a surprisingly good way to do this. Having a buy in addition to a sell is a little something to consider. Another option is to obtain account receivable insurance, but it is a bit pricey. Even if you must write, it is better to make a pre-judgment and cover only specific counterparties. Not being able to collect payment can be distressing. However, it's something that's often beyond your control, so don't let it stress you out too much. Take necessary steps, but also remember that running a business involves a lot of factors and sometimes things like these happen. It's all part of the game. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you find this information helpful. You can access our website by searching Tenmusubi Tax on Google. So if you're interested, please get in touch with us. So see you in the following video.